Thank you, athletes. Our fourth runner-up goes to athlete. Runner-up goes to athlete number from Furukawa Fitness Center in Benguet, La Trinidad. Athlete number 71, Roxon Kimagin.
Five and 67.
From our champion goes to athlete number from parehas ito eh. Muscle Factory. Parehas na Muscle Factory yan. Our champion goes to athlete number 67, Elton Camunay, and the first runner-up goes to athlete number 65, Donald Romero. Yeah. Now, father of the champions sa ating overall, sa ating bodybuilding. Okay. And of course, we want to thank the following sponsors. Agima Antipolo City. Yo. The overall champion.